Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, 2024, and we are looking at the Ethereum to Tether classical cryptocurrency pair. Ethereum, Tether, Zondacrypto, daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks. What is going on here? As you can see from this recent low that the Ethereum made at the level of 2314, we increased 18, almost 19%, but it looks like we have the piercing pattern here at the daily time frame chart. Then we have the confirmation, and now we have the extension to the downside. So after almost 18-19% rally, we now are in the corrective cycle. The next target for bulls is located at 2811. This is the technical resistance. There is of course the other level here, 2770. It might be the next target for the bulls, and the one that we already passed, 2719, has been completed. So we are still waiting for this level to be confirmed as the technical support. And of course there is 2830. This is the low from the apparently this is the July 2024. Now this level become the resistance. Now this is the key level here. Apparently we might even consider this as the key zone, a key supply zone. So without breaking above this this zone, there is nothing we can do about it, and the market will likely go of course lower if we want to break below this level. So we got the trend line here. This is the technical trend line. This is the trend line has been tested plenty of times. We got the W pattern here, the price pattern, W pattern towards the new swing high. So now we just wait for this breakout. Breakout will be bullish. Breakout will be massively bullish above this supply zone. Maybe if you don't see it now, let me just take my rectangle, and I will just mark it for you. So we got the rectangle here. Where is my rectangle? Oh, it's not. No. I want the rectangle, and this is it. That's what I wanted to do. And let me just make it. Let me just make it pink. So this is how it looks like now. That's the zone. This is exactly the zone from the level to level. We need to break above this zone to enter some sort of the upside correction or a bullish reversal. If we add some kind of a let's say indicators like RSI, you can see that we almost hit the level of 70, and we sharply reversed lower. The high here was at 67 points, over 67 points. Then we reversed sharply, and now we got two for sure red candles. Third is like hasn't been closed yet, so we still wait for this candle to be closed. That nearest target for the bears is located here at the level of 2515. This is like a local technical support, so it might be tested, but what we should expect here, if we want to continue the upside movement, is breakout above this zone. The market has been trying to break above this zone for a couple of times already. It didn't actually make it. Bulls didn't actually make it so far. No avail, but maybe next time will be luckier. As long as we trade above this level, as long as we trade eventually above the local trend line, the outlook remains bullish. Any breakout lower is definitely bearish. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.